Hi, I'm Julie, wife, mother, career woman, daughter, friend, neighbor. Let's just say I have a lot going on. That's it. I try to get what I need done as fast and conveniently as possible. And when it comes to my family's needs, quality always comes first. So I trust MyDawa for my family's medication and wellness needs. Oh, I can't tell you how much I love the convenience and peace of mind when buying medicine. It's amazing. Wondering how to get started on MyDawa? Simply log on to mydawa.com or download the app. Next, you need to create an account. This will take less than a minute. Remember, the MyDawa app is free to download. Enter your details and set your account password. Your personal information is secure on the platform. Lastly, accept the terms and conditions and submit to create your account. You will receive a one-time password on your mobile phone via SMS to use on your first login. Once that's done, you can now search for the products you need and add them to your shopping cart. Anything from your monthly prescription medicine, beauty products, supplements, over-the-counter medicine, and just look at the great variety they've got. For your safety, products that require a doctor's prescription are clearly marked and can only be dispensed with a valid prescription. If you require prescription-only medication, attach a photo or scan of the prescription. Enter any other information or special instructions you may need to specify, then click Save Prescription. Having a bit of trouble locating what you need? Use a search box here and type in the name of the product you are looking for. Done with your orders? Proceed to the checkout and view the items in your cart to confirm your order. Select a pharmacy near you from the options available and pick up your order at your convenience. Next, select your preferred payment option, M-Pesa. You will receive a message with the order confirmation. Your order will be delivered in a secure package, complete with an authentication code, so you have the assurance of genuine products every single time. To authenticate MyDawa products, simply scratch the panel on the security seal to reveal the unique code. SMS the code to 70077 or enter the code on the app or website. See how easy that was? The service is free of charge and loaded with value. No subscription fees, no hidden costs, no transaction fees, and best of all, the products are affordable. You could save up to 40% on monthly medication expenses for you or your dependents. Download the app today and enjoy convenience while ordering high-quality, genuine, and affordable products that you can trust. Empower your health with MyDawa.